phenomenon of multinational brands using different ingredient formulations across different countries is driven by a combination of regional regulations, consumer taste preferences, production costs, and local ingredient availability. Why ingredient formulations vary globally. Regulatory thresholds. The European Union, via the European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, enforces some of the strictest food additive regulations globally. For example, foods containing certain artificial dyes like sunset yellow, E110, must carry a warning label in the UK/EU stating they may have an adverse effect on activity and attention in children. This prompts brands to substitute synthetic dyes with natural alternatives like carrot and pumpkin extracts to avoid warning labels. In contrast, agencies like India's Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, or the US FDA permit higher thresholds or do not mandate the same warning disclosures for these specific additives. Localization of taste profiles. Food and beverage companies explicitly tailor their recipes to regional palates. Soft drink formulations in South Asian markets are historically engineered to be significantly sweeter and possess distinct flavor profiles compared to European variations to align with local market research and consumer expectations. Economic and supply chain factors. Sourcing natural coloring agents and higher percentages of real fruit juices increases production costs. In price-sensitive consumer markets, brands heavily optimize their supply chains by utilizing more affordable, shelf-stable, and locally abundant synthetic ingredients to maintain lower retail price points. Strategies for conscious consumers. Analyze front-of-pack and back-of-pack labels. Do not rely on marketing claims like natural fruit flavor. Look directly at the ingredient list, which is organized by weight from highest to lowest, to identify exact sugar, sodium, and additive content. Track E-numbers and INS codes. Food additives, preservatives, and artificial colors are listed as E-numbers, Europe, or International Numbering System, INS codes. Familiarizing yourself with common codes, e.g., INS 110 for sunset yellow, helps you quickly spot synthetic dyes and chemical preservatives. Monitor local food safety regulations. You can stay updated on permissible food additives, ongoing compliance audits, and changing food safety laws directly through the FSSAI official portal. This video highlights the difference in ingredients between Fanta sold in India and European Union Europe, raising questions about brand transparency. Indian Fanta is claimed to contain more sugar, artificial color, sunset yellow, and less fruit juice than the European one. Key differences: per 1,000 milliliters sugar, 130 g in India, 80 g in Europe, about 10 teaspoons of added sugar. Fruit juice, 2.6% in India, 5% in Europe. Sodium, 3 times more salt in India, 223 milligrams versus 70 milligrams. Color, the artificial color sunset yellow, 110, is used in India, which has been linked to hyperactivity and other health problems in children. What to do? Read labels. Before buying any product, always check the ingredients on the back. Be aware, reduce the consumption of products that use ingredients that are harmful to health. Here is a breakdown of the structural, regulatory, and nutritional differences highlighted in your post-regulatory definitions. India versus USA, FSSAI. India ice cream must contain exclusively dairy fats. Frozen dessert. Products utilizing vegetable oils, like palm oil, instead of milk fat must legally use this label. FDA, USA ice cream must contain at least 10% milk fat to use the name. Nutritional comparison feature. Real ice cream, vegetable oil, frozen dessert, primary fat source, dairy fat / milk solids, palm oil / palm kernel oil. Digestion speeds lower absorption due to dairy proteins, rapid absorption from emulsified plant oils, satiety index higher. Satiety from natural dairy fats lower satiety, leading to overeating. Texture modifier, natural churning cream, viscosity added, chemical stabilizers, and emulsifiers. Top real ice cream. Brands in India look for the word ice cream on the front packaging of these brands, not frozen dessert. 1, 2 Amul strictly uses dairy fat across its main ranges. Mother Dairy clearly distinguishes its milk-based lines. Naturals ice cream, known for minimal ingredients, milk, sugar, fruit. Milky Mist utilizes 100% dairy cream bases. Nick ice cream, focuses on pure milk formulations without vegetable oils. Common frozen dessert formulations. These frequently utilize vegetable oil bases in India. Quality walls, primarily formulated as frozen desserts using palm oil. Local catering tubs, bulk wedding/party packs often swap dairy fat to cut costs. How to spot hidden vegetable fats. Check the name. Avoid labels reading frozen dessert or frozen confection. Scan ingredients. Reject tubs listing palm oil, hydrogenated vegetable oil, or palm kernel oil. Look for milk fat. Ensure cream, milk solids, or milk fat sits at the top of the ingredient list. To help find better alternatives, let me know what specific flavor you are trying to replace. If you have any dietary restrictions, e.g., sugar-free, high protein, lactose-free, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, mandates strict, periodic testing of food products in NABL.